Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get the wind training, the wind style. But first, in order to unlock breeding style, as you can see, I'm only level 9 here. Shinobu is supposed to teach me an insect breeding style, but if I come here, she's gonna tell me to get out of her sight. Why is that? Because in order to unlock breeding style, we'll need to be at least level 12. Without being level 12, we won't be able to unlock any sort of breeding style. So, as you can see, this is a wind pillar uniform, and it's gonna cost a lot of money. So, first and foremost, make sure you're level 12 before starting any of this. And after that, everyone's gonna receive at least, you'll have 2 map points. What you want to do is press on Wind Trainer and unlock that. You just want to press on Wind Trainer and press on unlock. Don't unlock anything else. I did a very big mistake by unlocking the Butterfly Mansion right off the bat. But if you do end up spending all your points on everything else, there are a lot of online maps. So just head over to Google, type in Project Slayer map, and it should give you a very nice brief map on where you should go for certain where everything is. If you want to be a demon, if you want to be a wind trainer, all of that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.